When it comes to measuring body fat, percentage, and body composition, the gold standard is undoubtedly the DEXA scan. This DEXA scan, however, is going to require a lot of really expensive lab equipment, and it's not that accessible for a lot of your clients. So, for the average person, one other method that we can use to take these body fat percentage measurements was developed by the US Navy, and all it requires is one piece of equipment, which is a tape measure. With the tape measure, we're going to take 3 measurements for men and 4 for women. For men, we're going to start off by measuring your height in centimeters. We're then going to measure the circumference around your neck. After that, we're going to measure your waist taken around the navel. You're going to input all of these different values into the formula, which will be linked below. From there, you're going to get an estimated body fat percentage. In the case of women, we're going to do all of those same measurements, except we're going to add in one. Specifically, we're going to add in a measure around the waist, as most women will carry more of their body fat around that area. So this will standardize it for them. One final point to note when using this as a way of tracking, this is a very useful method to use with general population clients. Whenever it comes to people who are heavily outside of the norm when it comes to body shapes and sizes, i.e. people who are very heavily muscled, particularly I'm thinking of rugby players or wrestlers who have very thick necks because of very developed musculature in that area, this will 100% skew this measurement, so it should be avoided. Also, people who are very overweight or obese, this will also not be a reliable measurement of their body fat percentage because of this. Finally, if somebody has other conditions such as curvatures within their spine or other variations in their physiology, this would be the series of conditions that would contraindicate the reliability of using this as a measure. But as a general tool, and a very inexpensive one at that, it's very useful to have at your disposal.